Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a study visa to Uruguay. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply any kind of visa, not just study, so you should always check the requirements as per the country's embassy mission or whichever mode is applicable to your region. Because based of your place of residence, there could be some additional steps. Some steps may not be applicable and some additional required documents may be required. So for example, let's say you are a citizen of India living in India, New Delhi. Then for that, like for example, I have opened Embassy of Uruguay in New Delhi, India. So in this consular visa services, if you scroll down, they have requirements for study visa. So what are the requirements? Like you need complete visa application form, recent passport size photo, valid passport with at least 6 months of validity expiry at a time of leaving Uruguayan territory, photocopy of passport, proof of registration of note of institution of public private educational center where you are gonna study. Of course, photocopy of identity document of the reference in Uruguay, proof of income, okay, duly accredited that can justify maintenance and accommodation, means your living expense and other things, right? So that it can be justified. Now, what the issue is like a visa for 30 days with single entry. And once you enter the country, you can apply for residency in Uruguay, like long-term residency. So visa is for traveling. And once you go there, you can apply for residency. We'll go through the form. So they have given that you have to be over there and I mean they like you they may require you to come for interview or for online interview, whichever they feel. Okay. Now they have given the timing also for this process. Okay, now we'll go through the visa form. So this is the visa form. It's pretty simple. Photo, name, surname. It's in English also, so you don't need to worry about. Date and place of birth, occupation, marital status, name of husband, wife, if applicable, residential address, type and number of travel document, passport, right? Issuing authority. All these details you will get from your passport and make sure it matches. Otherwise, I have seen many people struggling later when they do minor mistakes. You don't want this to happen in your case, right? So then you should follow accordingly. Purpose of visit, you have study, date of travel, period of stay, reference in India, address in India, phone number, place of residence in Uruguay. That's why they were asking for accommodation details, remember? Two tickets, personal email ID, Skype ID of the applicant because they may conduct online interview if they want. So that's how it is, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.